Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home and garden. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a beautifully manicured yard but worried about the cost? We get it. Landscaping can be expensive, but today we're tackling one of the most effective and affordable ways to transform your outdoor space: landscape edging. So, what exactly do we mean by inexpensive landscape edging? It's more than just a border for your garden bed. It's about using smart, budget-friendly materials and creative DIY techniques to create a clean, professional look that separates different parts of your landscape, like a lawn from a garden bed or a path from a planter. The goal is to achieve a high-end aesthetic without the high-end price tag. It's about being resourceful and thinking outside the box, using materials that are either naturally cheap or can be repurposed from other projects. Opting for inexpensive landscape edging offers a multitude of benefits. First and foremost, it keeps your project financially accessible, allowing you to allocate funds to other parts of your garden design, like new plants or outdoor furniture. Beyond the savings, it gives you a fantastic opportunity to get creative and put your personal touch on your yard. DIY edging projects often use materials that are easy to work with, making them perfect for beginners. This hands-on approach can be incredibly rewarding, giving you a sense of accomplishment and a unique, custom look. Finally, it's a quick and impactful way to boost your home's curb appeal. A well-defined garden bed instantly looks tidier and more intentional, making your entire yard appear well-maintained and cared for, all with a minimal investment. You might be wondering, how do I make a cheap edge look chic? The secret lies in the details. The key is to blend your chosen material seamlessly with the rest of your landscape. For brick or stone edging, consider a contrasting colored mulch, like dark brown shredded bark against light-colored pavers, to make the border pop. For wood or metal edging, use it as a foundation for a layered look. Place small, flowering ground cover plants right at the edge to soften the line between the lawn and the bed. You can also add solar-powered pathway lights along the border. These are often inexpensive but provide a stunning high-end look at night. Remember, a clean line is the most important element. No matter the material, ensure it is installed level and straight for a professional finish. When you're ready to define your garden beds and walkways without breaking the bank, selecting the right materials is key. The great news is that you don't need to spend a fortune to achieve a polished and professional look. Many affordable options are available that are not only budget-friendly but also durable and easy to work with. The materials you choose can dramatically influence the final aesthetic of your landscape, from rustic and natural to sleek and modern. Let's explore some of the best and most popular materials that will help you create a stunning landscape edge on a dime. First, concrete edging, a classic durable choice. DIY kits are available or you can pour your own. Second, plastic or rubber edging. Inexpensive and flexible, perfect for curved designs. Third, bricks or pavers. Often available secondhand or at a discount, these create a timeless, classic look. Fourth, landscape timbers or railway sleepers. Treated wood that is a sturdy, natural-looking option, great for raised beds. Fifth, stones or river rocks. You can often source these for free or very cheaply from local quarries or even your own property. Sixth, steel or aluminum edging. A modern and sleek look that is more durable than plastic and can be found in more affordable, thinner gauges. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here are the compilation of the top 10 best inexpensive landscape edging ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Reclaimed wood and brick accents. Classic garden bed with tiered wood and brick edging. This design beautifully combines two classic, affordable materials, reclaimed wood and red brick. The use of treated landscape timbers creates a striking multi-level raised garden bed, perfect for defining a patio or seating area. The red brick pavers laid in a decorative herringbone pattern not only act as a walkway but also provide a vibrant, contrasting border that makes the entire garden bed pop. This is an excellent example of how simple materials, when thoughtfully arranged, can create a sophisticated and welcoming outdoor space. 2. Natural stone wall, rustic dry stack stone garden bed. This rustic garden bed features a stunning dry stack stone wall. which is an excellent way to achieve a high-end look without the high cost of mortar. Sourcing local or repurposed stones is often very affordable. The natural, irregular shapes of the stones create a charming organic texture that contrasts beautifully with the manicured lawn. The top of the wall serves as a sturdy border for the garden bed, filled with mulch to keep weeds at bay and retain moisture for the plants. 3. Laser-cut metal panels. Decorative laser-cut edging with topiaries. If you're looking for something with a bit more flair, consider decorative metal edging. While it might be a higher initial investment than other options, it makes a powerful design statement. This image shows black laser-cut panels with a striking geometric pattern. When paired with perfectly manicured spherical shrubs and tall grasses, the edging acts as a modern fence, adding a layer of sophistication and structure that elevates the entire landscape. 4. Modern metal retaining wall. Modern tiered lawn with corten steel edging. For a more contemporary feel, this landscape uses sleek corten steel as a retaining wall. While a full-scale wall can be pricey, thinner strips of this material are more affordable and can be used as edging. The rusted patina of the steel adds a warm, earthy tone that complements the green lawn and surrounding trees. This design showcases how a single well-placed material can define different levels of a yard, creating a clean and architectural look that is both functional and stylish. 5. Modern concrete and LED lighting. Modern garden with concrete curb and LED strip lighting. For a truly modern and dramatic effect, combine clean concrete edging with integrated LED strip lighting. The simple light-colored concrete creates a bold geometric line that defines the lawn and garden. The built-in lighting not only highlights the unique shapes of the plants at night but also adds a stunning ambient glow that turns the yard into a showpiece. This high-impact look can be achieved affordably with LED light strips and prefabricated concrete blocks. 6. Decorative gravel and river stone edging. Colorful garden bed with white river rock and mulch. A classic combination for a reason. This landscape uses white river rocks to create a bright, clean border. The rocks are both decorative and functional, helping to contain the black mulch in the garden bed and provide a visual separation from the asphalt driveway. The contrast between the dark mulch, the bright pink and purple flowers, and the light-colored stones creates a visually dynamic and tidy front yard display. 7. Tiered stone and plant borders. Layered garden bed with stacked stone edging. This design demonstrates the beauty of a simple, stacked stone border. The rough-hewn rectangular stones create a low-profile wall that neatly separates the lush garden bed from the pristine lawn. The staggered placement of the stones adds visual interest and a sense of depth. This type of edging is easy to install for a DIY enthusiast and provides a strong, durable boundary that complements the natural, abundant foliage in the garden. 8. Stamped concrete curbing. Sculptural concrete garden bed border. Custom-poured concrete curbing is a fantastic option for creating seamless, flowing shapes in your landscape. This image shows a beautifully curved border with a stamped, decorative finish that mimics natural stone or brick. Concrete curbing is highly durable and prevents grass from creeping into the garden bed, providing a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution that looks polished and professionally installed. 9. Tiered wood block border. Natural wood block garden edging. For a rustic and charming aesthetic, consider using short, uniform wood blocks as a border. This design creates a tiered, textured edge that complements the surrounding natural elements like the horizontal wood fence and tree trunk. The blocks are easy to lay and can be sourced affordably, making them a great DIY project. The small pebbles filling the ground add a nice finishing touch, creating a low-maintenance organic pathway. 10. Large river rock retaining wall. Organic garden with large river rock retaining wall. This beautiful, curving landscape uses large river rocks to form a natural organic retaining wall. The varying sizes and shapes of the rocks give the wall a rugged, authentic feel that blends perfectly with the lush, abundant planting. Using rocks found on-site or purchased in bulk can be an incredibly cost-effective way to manage changes in elevation while creating a visually stunning, sculptural border for your garden. So there you have it. 10 incredible ways to elevate your outdoor space on a budget. As you can see, inexpensive landscape edging isn't about compromising on style. It's about making smart, creative choices that reflect your personality. Whether you prefer a rustic stone wall, a modern metal line, or a classic brick border, There's an affordable solution out there that will make your yard look like $1,000,000 without spending it. We hope this video has inspired you to get outside and start transforming your garden. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more great ideas, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy decorating!
Bye.